Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Here we have the North Face Isabella Backpack. So this is a backpack that's more sort of ergonomically designed for women, so it's that much more comfortable, but it's a decent size, 21 litres of internal storage, so it's a great kind of day pack size. So taking a look at the front, so right at the front we have a really quick access pocket in here. Now there's no zipper, there's no sort of Velcro or anything, there's just a tiny little kind of flap over the top, and then inside here this is like spandex lycra type material, so this is a real quick access, but it's not that secure, so it's really just for sort of quickly stowing something away. You also have a few sort of external pockets. You've got one here on the side for a water bottle. Again, it's that kind of lycra spandex type material, so that adds a little bit of grip, and it's quite skinny, so it's only for a fairly small sort of water bottle. Similar on the other side, except this one is actually a zippered opening, but it's nice and long and kind of diagonal cut. This has a fleecy lining, so this is great for your mobile phone or sort of something that you don't want to get scratched, and because it's got that zipper, it's that much more secure. So right up at the top, so we have our first section. So this is kind of the multimedia section, so you can sort of stow stuff away inside of that, and then you've got a zippered pocket in there, and then a second one behind it, so you can start to organize stuff and keep it nice and neat. Double zipper opening, so you can get in and out of it however you like, and then another double opening, and that goes to the main section itself. So the main section, not so much of a big open sort of opening in there, it is, but you can sort of fit plenty of space inside of that. So if you want to take your coat off, you can stow it away inside of that. But if you're using it day to day, you're going to the office or you're sort of going to work, you have a laptop section. So this is foam and sort of fleece lined as well, so you can sort of stow that away, and that's flat against your back, so it's nice and safe, and your laptop isn't going to get all scratched up. So whilst I talk about the double zipper, you'll notice here that it actually has a loop on this one, so you can actually padlock them together if you so wish, keep it that little bit safer. And then really right up at the top we have another zipper, and this again is a fleece lined pocket, so this can be for your MP3 player or your phone or your keys, something really quick access, and then you can plug your headphones in. It's nice and neat and tidy. So up at the top on the back side, we've got a grab handle so you can lug it around, and then we have skinny but fairly firm sort of straps on side of this, and hydration loops, so if you've got a sort of camelback or something, then you can sort of set that down there, keep it nice and neat and tidy, or you can clip something off onto that, so it's really quick access in front of you without having to take the bag out. Chest strap, and this has a double sort of bungee loop on the inside. This is very different, but nice and neat. You shouldn't have your sort of chest strap that tight, but it just gives you that bit of flexibility, so it doesn't restrain you in any way. The straps are ergonomically designed for a female fit, so they'll be much more comfortable, and of course you have adjustment down at the bottom so you can keep the bag on. A little bit of sort of ventilation, but not a great deal. This is kind of a foam padding, but it just gives you a little bit of protection from whatever's inside of your bag, but as far as ventilation, it's down to a minimum. So all in all, it's a nice sort of grab bag, day bag. You can take this to the gym, you can take it to work. It's that kind of all-around sort of rucksack backpack type design. This is the North Face Isabella. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.
Paraffin fuel is said to be one of the safest fuels to use, but it can be hard to light and does take time to reach full heat. The last liquid is kerosene, which is another form of paraffin and works in the same way, but it really is the last resort fuel, to only be used in a multi-fuel setup. Gas fuel is one of the most common types of fuel to